Top 10 Chest Workouts for the Best Results. The chest is one of the most prominent muscle groups in your body, and having a well-developed chest not only looks impressive, but also serves as a foundation for overall upper body strength. In this video, we'll be going over the top 10 chest exercises that will help you achieve the best results. So let's get started. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you never miss out on our latest health and fitness videos. 10. Barbell Bench Press. The barbell bench press is a classic exercise that has been a staple of many workout routines for decades, and for good reason. This exercise is one of the most effective ways to build overall chest strength and mass, and is a great compound movement that targets multiple muscle groups. The barbell bench press primarily works the pectoralis major, but also engages the triceps, shoulders, and even the biceps and forearms to a lesser extent. The bench press can be performed on a flat bench, incline bench, or decline bench, each targeting slightly different areas of the chest. Proper form and technique are essential to avoid injury and maximize results. Start with a weight that you can comfortably lift for 8 to 10 repetitions, and gradually increase the weight as you get stronger. 9. Incline Dumbbell Press. The incline dumbbell press is a highly effective exercise for building a well-defined V-shaped chest. This exercise targets the upper chest muscles, which are often neglected in traditional chest exercises like the barbell bench press. By incorporating the incline dumbbell press into your workout routine, you can add variety and effectively target all areas of the chest. To perform the incline dumbbell press, lie on an inclined bench and hold a pair of dumbbells above your chest with your palms facing forward. Lower the dumbbells down to your chest, keeping your elbows slightly tucked in, then press the dumbbells back up to the starting position. 8. Decline Bench Press. This exercise targets the lower portion of the pectoralis major, as well as the triceps and shoulders. By incorporating the decline bench press into your workout routine, you can effectively target all areas of the chest and achieve a well-rounded chest workout. To perform the decline bench press, lie on a decline bench with your feet secured and hold a barbell or dumbbells above your chest with your palms facing forward. Lower the dumbbells down to your chest, keeping your elbows slightly tucked in, then press the dumbbells back up to the starting position. 7. Cable Fly. This exercise can be performed using a cable machine, which allows for a wider range of motion and more control over the resistance. By incorporating the cable fly into your chest workout routine, you can effectively isolate and target the chest muscles and achieve a well-defined, sculpted chest. To perform the cable fly, stand in the middle of a cable machine and hold the handles with your palms facing forward. Keeping your arms slightly bent, bring the handles together in front of your chest, squeezing your chest muscles at the top of the movement, then slowly return to the starting position. 6. Dumbbell Pullover. The dumbbell pullover is a versatile exercise that targets multiple muscle groups, including the chest, back, and triceps. This exercise can be performed using a dumbbell or a barbell, and is a great way to add variety to your chest workout routine. By incorporating the dumbbell pullover into your workout routine, you can effectively target the chest muscles and achieve a well-rounded chest workout. To perform the dumbbell pullover, lie on a bench with your head hanging off the end and hold a dumbbell or barbell with both hands above your chest. Lower the weight back behind your head, keeping your elbows slightly bent, then bring the weight back up to the starting position. 5. Push-ups. Push-ups are a classic exercise that effectively target the chest, as well as the shoulders, triceps, and core muscles. This bodyweight exercise can be done anywhere and requires no equipment, making it a convenient and accessible option for anyone looking to improve their chest strength and definition. To perform a push-up, start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart and your feet together. Lower your body down towards the ground, keeping your elbows close to your body, then push back up to the starting position. 4. Dumbbell Squeeze Press. This exercise can be performed using a pair of dumbbells and is a great way to add variety to your chest workout routine. By incorporating the dumbbell squeeze press into your workout routine, you can effectively isolate and target the chest muscles and achieve a well-defined, sculpted chest. To perform the dumbbell squeeze press, lie on a bench with a dumbbell in each hand and press the weights together in front of your chest. Lower the weights down towards your chest, keeping your elbows slightly bent. Then press the weights back up to the starting position, squeezing your chest muscles at the top of the movement. 3. Close grip bench press. The close grip bench press is a variation of the traditional bench press exercise that targets the triceps, as well as the inner chest muscles. This exercise can be performed using a barbell or dumbbells and is a great way to add variety to your chest workout routine. By incorporating the close grip bench press into your workout routine, you can effectively target and strengthen the chest muscles, as well as improve your overall upper body strength and stability. To perform the close grip bench press, lie on a bench with a barbell or dumbbells in your hands, and position your hands closer together than you would for a traditional bench press. Lower the weights down towards your chest, keeping your elbows close to your body, then press the weights back up to the starting position. 2. Chest dips. Chest dips are an effective bodyweight exercise that targets the chest, triceps, and shoulders. This exercise can be done using parallel bars or even a sturdy chair or bench, making it a convenient and accessible option for anyone looking to improve their chest strength and definition. To perform chest dips, begin by gripping the bars with your hands shoulder-width apart and your feet off the ground. Lower your body down by bending your elbows, keeping your chest upright and your shoulders back. Once your arms reach a 90-degree angle, push your body back up to the starting position. 1. Chest press machine. The chest press machine is a resistance training exercise that targets the chest muscles. This exercise can be performed using a machine, which provides a controlled movement and allows you to adjust the weight to your individual fitness level. The chest press machine is a great option for beginners or those recovering from injuries, as it provides a safer and more stable alternative to traditional chest exercises. To perform the chest press machine exercise, sit on the machine with your back flat against the pad and grasp the handles with your hands. Push the handles forward, extending your arms fully, then slowly bring them back towards your chest, keeping your elbows bent at a 90-degree angle. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and workout routines. Thank you for watching.